Cotton?
Do you know what I'm talking about though? Glasses.
Damon?
Man.
Don't want the glasses?
Yeah,
Damon?
her. Yeah, what y'all doing with that one?
Damon.
Probably that new substitute teacher, bro.
You seen her? She better than a
better
mother.
than a-
Oh my God.
My question is
That's
like,
real.
my T-Dot, young T-Dot. My question is like, like Hammer time.
I just feel for you.
Black boy the way I shoot. All these bitches think I'm cute. Nothing to give her the boot. I ain't got no time for you. I don't want no call from you. I'm keeping my draws from you. I'm having a draw from you. I might break the law for you. Who do it?
You like entertainers?
You like niggas who sing? I can sing for you. You need a dog? I can bark for you.
It's your boy.
Today, the cat. I can
Today, look at that. Public interview. Special worker types down. So let's get straight.
Hey, but not for real though. You need an alligator.
All right, who am I here with today?
Huh?
Who am I here with today?
KP.
All right, this the 5-star right here, y'all. But look though, hey, you knock you down. How that feel?
Come on. Y'all recording for this.
You knock you down though.
I'm trying to be like you.
You're knock you down though.
What's wrong with you?
You're knock you down though.
You can stop the video.
No, but like I ain't gonna lie. Is this crazy? Is this crazy though? Like this? Is this crazy though?
Yeah. The jacket is something different.
The jacket go crazy.
I'm trying to be like you.
Now you gotta chill, but hey, this go crazy, like hard head holiday type shit.
For sure.
Hey, how much you dropping? When you come back?
I don't even know. However much you say.
You gotta drop like 20 at least.
I got you like 8.
I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, fine, appreciate it. Alright, who am I here with today?
SOS T-Dot. You already know.
Okay, my fault. My question is like, my T-Dot, young T-Dot. My question is like, like Hammer time. Hammer time.
No.
You ain't. Why not?
No. Just no. No.
Hey Kennedy. like Hammer time. Hammer time. No. Hammer time. My fault. My fault. My fault.
Hey.
I just feel for you.
That's my boy.
Alright, who am I here with today?
Tremonte.
Alright, so like, I got a question. Any gal in the school, who you drilling?
Ooh. Who I'm drilling?
Any gal.
Any guy?
Any gal. Any gal of your choosing types. It's anyone you want.
Am I choosing?
Yeah, like anyone.
I can't even say it on camera, dog.
Can't say it.
I can't say it on camera, dog.
Why not?
Hey. You keep it on camera.
Alright, who am I here with today?
Devin.
Okay. Question is like any girl in the school of your choosing. It's your choosing type shit. You know what I'm saying? Who are you drilling? Like Hammer time.
Are the girls gonna see it? See this?
No. I don't think so. Just say it.
You don't think so?
Just say it. Just say her name.
She was in your video, Cotton. Last name Cotton. Y'all would call her Frank, or no, Smash Your Pants.
She was in my video.
Her last name is Cotton.
Cotton?
Her name starts with a D. That's with Cotton. 10th grade. Cheerleader.
Cotton?
Do you know what I'm talking about though? Glasses.
Damon?
Don't want the glasses?
Yeah, what y'all doing with that one? Light skin? Light skin short.
So short. She keep
Whoa.
playing. But no, ain't no cap in this. She keep throwing shots like she. Nigga, I swear to God, we in class, right?
Yeah.
She hit me with that.
She hit you with what? Hold on, do it one more time.
I'm not doing it in camera.
She hit you with that? Like,
yeah. Nigga, I'm not lying.
yeah.
I swear to God.
Yeah.
I put that on God and everything.
Oh, you tough like that.
But she just keep playing, you know.
Yeah.
Girls want to keep playing and stuff.
I don't understand it.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Hey, that's tough though. That's tough. She. Ooh, she getting freaky with you though.
Yeah.
That's
But
tough.
there's other things that she did, but like, yeah. The first time like we were in class together, she talking about, I like your voice or something. Like I like your voice.
That's tough.
Yeah, that's tough though. But she just needs to stop playing with it.
She gotta stop playing.
For real.
Yeah. That's how she has to like just.
Because it's like the feeling is mutual that we cool with each other and we like each other.
Yeah.
So like stop playing. You know what I'm saying?
Stop playing.
Come up and let's do something. That's what I'm trying to say.
That they push your line type.
Yeah. Don't post this in the group chat. Don't put the video in the group chat.
I'm not. You already know I got you. Alright, who am I with today?
Israel, aka Spooky.
Alright, question of the day is like, any girl in the school, who you drilling?
Shit. Probably that new substitute teacher, bro.
You seen her? She better than a brother. Oh my God. That's real. That's real. Miss Miller.
Yeah, Miss Miller.
Baby.
Huh?
She gave you a kiss.
Yeah. I mean, well, it really depends. But the new substitute teacher can.
Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like I had her class first, but like she in my video type.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Hey, is she that bad though? Like, I only saw a little bit.
Oh, she's. I can't even explain.
It make you speechless or what?
Of course.
That's.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. All right, who am I here with today? Dustin. All right, question is like you be knocking down walls?
No.
You don't be
Virgin.
You don't be knocking down walls?
Nah.
Are you lying to me?
Yeah.
You be knocking down real crazy?
Of course.
That's not a question.
No question at all.
How do I become like you then?
Stay loyal, be the truth, be you. Don't do no stupid shit.
That's real.
They had me doing that last week. Yes. That shit was so messed up. I'm like, what the fuck? That shit was crazy.
Yeah, it is crazy. Cause like now I gotta fix it. That shit's crazy to me.
Right, you need to quit on them, like.
Oh, they paying me them racks though. What y'all doing? I can't tell y'all how much they pay.
Can I see your hat?
You see my head? Alright,
Don't give a shit. Look at the hair. Yeah, I'm a construction worker now.
big dog.
Yeah. His damn hat. No, let me make his damn hat.
Appreciate.
So what this is? This like
Hey bro, my feet go crazy something?
Yeah, your feet go crazy.
Appreciate.
Yeah.
Alright, look up. I got a question for y'all. Like, hey.
What's the question? I'm trying to work here, but you know her. Cause you become friends with her. You become. First of all, I work. I know, cause I used to. Yeah, I know. I used to work there. I used to work.
The question, like big dog type.
Fuck.
Well, like watch your profanity.
Shut up.
Okay, but look, y'all. Like the question is like anybody in the school, like who y'all like?
Really low.
Like anybody in the school, like who y'all?
Who would you fuck? Who needs construction? I got this construction. Oh, what? Damn. I got he probably DYN
Okay.
_die MAII. But you said it wrong.
Oh, that's.
But you want me to tell you?
Oh, that's true.
No, that's our Instagram.
Okay.
First of all, y'all, she's lying. But y'all wanna know? I said it. No, I don't want to know your shit. Shut the fuck up.
What are you talking about?
Bad. Get him out.
Mother. Ask her.
And what's her
Ask her right
Don't
now.
ask me.
Like who?
No,
Who's
don't
the
ask
hero?
me.
Like, oh yeah. Is it me?
Sit down. Doggy.
It's one of them.
I ain't gonna be that bold. No, hell no.
What's the question? Like anybody in the school, like who you let hit?
You know, Jay, let me tell you something. Jay's right here.
Oh, that's what Jason.
Who I'm letting in?
Yeah, who you let hit?
So you know the construction work? Y'all know the construction work? Yeah, she up here. He asked me. He said he been doing work on the building.
Like who you let? Who you let? Like
I can't say that name. Nobody.
nobody.
Quit saying that. Bitch, stop fucking stupid bitch. That's her cousin. They can't. That's my cousin. Girl, you play so much.
Y'all ain't letting Jason?
No. Hell no. That's the bro. Right, that's her. That's the bro. Oh, my bad. I ain't say that. That's the bro. I mean, ooh, she said E.
She going crazy. Yeah, she going crazy. She going crazy. So like,
Oh, his name's Dale. He can get any time of the day. Not any time of the day.
Hey, I gotta get my book. Oh, that shit got pee. Do you have any recommendations for me? I like action, comedy. Just stuff like that. Action, comedy. You got sci-fi. Ooh, sci-fi. Yeah. No, nobody else gonna know my idea except for you, right? Okay. I had to make sure.
Alright, baby. There you go.
Ooh.
I hope you enjoy it.
Alright, thank you. Yeah. I got this book, doggy. I got this. Alright, this gonna cap it off. I probably might get another video in with construction type. Yeah, I just wanna hey, realest nigga I know is Corey. That's his stuff. He let me rock it. That's just real nigga activities. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's really it. Yeah, man. Remember, be different. It's okay to be different. It's been your boy. Yeah. Be.
Oh, there you go. I just feel for you.
That's my.